happy early Monday. We're going to start it off with a Death Star today. We're up here at the Effingham Amtrak station. We're going to check it out and see what we got. First train of the day, guys. First train of the day. Let's check it out. Yeah, I think he's snaking on down there. He's probably going to go add some more cars down there, work in the yard. You called it. Yeah, he's snaking on. All right. Pretty good start. First catch of the day, 2 Death Stars and a BNSF. That's pretty rare lash up for me. I haven't caught that before, so good deal. All right, second train of the day. Let's check it out and see what we got. Didn't take him long to get up here. There he comes. one of them long Union Pacifics. He came up out of nowhere here. He was coming out of the west. We may have another one, Jeff. Maybe. I hear a horn. We'll catch him back when he gets here. But did you see that Southern Pacific car on there? That was pretty cool. Yeah, we do. Here he comes. We got another one right on the other side here. He's on the siding. You see him going around. Here he comes. I'm going to zoom in. You see him going around that curve slow. Now it looks like we have a CSX coming. All right. I'm going to come up here at the diamond. Hey, can you have them guys? That might be the work train. No, maybe not. I don't know. He might be by himself, maybe, bud.
Yeah, that might be the work train here.
Yep. We'll check and see what our numbers look like. Well, all right. Got a single coming, maybe, or double. Let's take a look. You'll be able to tell by the numbers, won't you, Jeff? Jeff will let us know if it's a work train or not. I think it is a work train. Jeff's up here on these locals in the morning. What we got, Jeff? What is this? Alright. That's our local. Got that new one right there? Check that out. 5384. Beautiful.
That's our new baby.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful baby.
Nice paint job on that thing.
Paint job.
That's great.
Brand new one.
Brand new one?
Brand new. Yep, that's brand new.
Yep, he's gonna snake on down there. Got him squeezing across the diamond. Amtrak coming in here. 9:30 pickup. He's a little late.
41. 41 pickup.
.30 pickup. Just barely across the diamond.
You called me this morning. What did you want?
Splitting the drums up.
Got a pretty good crowd getting on today. Oh, shut down for a minute. Hear that? Superliners.
Yeah, that's not sitting me there.
They're all superliners now.
I'll put it there, I'll use
CNN. You had
Because of
sea
Canadian
firefighters.
National, yeah. This is a sleeping car here.
Yeah, that's a sleeping car here. And there's a sleeping car there. And the rest of them are first class cars.
It'll clear out now, so we get some freight through here.
These are 2 like 2% weight. Sweet.
All right, there he goes.
Yep, they go
Heading to Chicago.
to Chicago. Amtrak Superliner.
Now let's get some freight through here.
Let's get some freight trains.
That's what we're after now.
Yeah, let's get some freight.
All right. So far, Death Star, UP, and that brand new CSX. So far today.
So far today.
Hopefully we'll get lucky and pick up some more good action here. He went away pretty quietly.
Yeah, he did move quietly. Yeah, honks his horn and go in the morning.
All right, here we go. Let's check it out and see what we got here. I can't tell if he's a long. He might have some time. Yeah, he's not very long.
No.
Yeah, they're already going across the tracks. He'll be stopping before the signal. He'll probably be, we'll see if he goes through or not. That's a short train there. Hey, looks like he might be going through. Probably heading to Centralia.
Yeah,
He's gonna have to add on to that train.
I bet he does. I bet he'll pick up. He might pick up a few cars in Effingham. I don't know. No, one train might have picked him up already.
Well, he did have a yellow blinking, so he could either be stopping down here and adding some cars, or heading to Centralia and adding some cars. All right, we got another train on the way. Looks like a manifest. Canadian National.
Oh, now I see them.
There we go, 3239. Frost Farms. That's a new one. Frost Farms. Yeah, he had a pretty good lash up on him there. check out that Frost Farms on there. That's the first time I've got that hopper car. Frost Farms. You ever seen that?
No, we haven't seen one.
All right, that's great. That's something different.
That's something different.
All right. We'll check you guys on the next video. We got a new hopper coming through town. That's the first time I've seen that. Check that hopper out, guys.